The next on the list is International Association of Jewish Lawyers and Jurists.
Thank you, Mr. Vice President. The report of the Special Rapporteur emphasizes the need to lift the Israeli blockade on Gaza. However, it's actually the Hamas blockade on Gaza which creates immense human rights abuses of Palestinians and Israelis. The International Association of Jewish Lawyers and Jurists would like to point out that after Israel's complete withdrawal from the Gaza Strip in 2005, and regardless of 3 wars instigated by Hamas since then, Israel has allowed massive financial aid, millions of tons of food and medicine and building supplies into Gaza, including 1.2 million tons since the ceasefire of 2014. Instead of using these massive resources to rebuild the civilian infrastructure in Gaza, Hamas has invested them in building a sophisticated network of terror tunnels underneath Gaza. This militant infrastructure runs beneath Palestinian schools, hospitals, and residential buildings, creating a death trap for Palestinian civilians. The report also neglects to mention the 25 deadly rockets fired from Gaza at Israeli citizens in 2015, on average 1 rocket every 2 weeks. How many Palestinian and Israeli mothers and children must be traumatized by the constant bombings and missile sirens? In the words of Mayan Sweg, an Israeli mother who lives close to the Gaza Strip, while others wake up to sunshine, laughing, and even the cries of a baby, we wake up to the sound of missile sirens and the need to protect our children with our own bodies. Both Palestinians and Israelis live trapped in a Hamas blockade of terror since 2005, which threatens their most basic human right, the right to life. We believe that this Council should encourage coexistence and peace between nations. However, your neglect to condemn Hamas actually encourages more violence and, sadly, creates less hope for peace. Shall we choose Hamas or shall we choose hope? Mayan Yeladea v'kol Am Yisrael yamshichu livchor b'tikva. We choose hope. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your statement.